Previously, we drove through Port Marion. We went 1,200 feet up a quarry, saw a fantastic rainbow, then flew 1,200 feet back down.
Wow, it's amazing!
The kids went on coasters for the first time. We cruised the Broads on a 45-foot boat. We drove to Matlock Bath to see that the theme park was closed.
It's quiet because unfortunately we're not hoping.
Then headed to the open one. We finally went back to Norfolk, Hemsby Holiday Park. Come and see what happened next.
That's Vanessa. That's Ava. That's me. And that's Chris. We're the family, travelling 1,000,000 miles in our boat car. We hope you enjoy our journey.
Oh my god, I think it's been... What time did we leave this morning? About 10, wasn't it?
10 something, yeah.
And it's about 7 o'clock now.
So again, about the same as last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, and it was a good trip. It was a good trip, a little bit of traffic in between.
Yeah.
But we've finally arrived and we are at our next home aboard. And
We've got a hot tub.
got a hot tub as well.
Whoop, whoop.
I've been told it's on and running.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's warm. It's ready to go.
Oh, really?
Right. Wow.
Okay.
It's quite spacious.
Very spacious.
Yeah. Then
We are at Hemsby Holiday Park in Great Yarmouth at the Richardsons.
we love it, don't we?
It is fantastic.
We love it. Ensby. As they have an IS shop on site. Right, so inside you've got all your sandcastle kits and all that kind of stuff. A beach, toys, a couple of sweets, all kind of stuff. Right guys, so we're gonna go for a ride around the Richardson's, what is it, beach holiday park.
Yep.
And Ava Vanessa's got the trike. I'm kind of jealous, I actually like that.
We've got a quad
We've got a quad,
and Murray's got a single.
we've got the heaviest
quad.
one,
Yeah.
and I'm doing most of the pedaling. And Murray's got the fast one. If we can
Murray,
go around,
calm
we've got
down.
slow. Right, follow me.
A bit better with two people.
Yeah. Come on. I'll go to Ava Vanessa.
Oh yeah.
Perfectly.
You're alright, here you are. Oh yeah.
It's fine. It's called a trike.
Mind the road, okay?
Stay on this, Murray, stay on this side of the road. You're driving the left on the road. Right. Bit of exercise in the morning.
Yep. Go in front and stay on this side. Come on, carry on. Take single file though, please. Watch the left.
Oh, it is.
Yep.
Right, so Murray stops to do his laces. It's quite nice riding his van, getting around the park.
Yeah. And it's good because it's two-seater, so
Yep,
two people can pedal.
yep,
Makes it a little bit easier to get around the park.
yep.
Just, yeah, but it's
It's
good
good
exercise.
exercise. If you've got the family you want to go out for a morning stroll, but you want to take the kids with you, get one of these.
Alright, careful, be careful. Gosh, man. We're going on two wheels. One wheel, sorry.
I know, I turned too quick. Magala Gavona Gabero! See ya!
Right, we're back. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Woo!